welcome back to Eat East Indian channel, guys. And today we are making super yummy and really easy egg masala gravy. So if you're trying to stretch your dollar, this recipe could do it. We are using 4 boiled eggs for this dish. You can use 5 to 6 depending on how many people are eating. I'm going to heat a pan and I'm putting some butter on it so that we can fry the boiled eggs. So add on the eggs and just roll them around so that they are well coated with the butter. That way they will have amazing flavor. We are going to also sprinkle some spices on top. So some chili powder or paprika or cayenne pepper, some salt and turmeric. This will give them beautiful color and will add to the flavor of our dish. We'll roll them around so that they are thoroughly coated on all sides, and we'll let them cook. We'll let them fry in this butter for a few minutes until they develop a stronger, beautiful brownish color. Once that's done, we will take them out on a plate and we'll set them aside. And in the same pan, we'll continue cooking our gravy. Look how beautiful the color is. Set them aside, and then in the same pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding cumin seeds, that's jeera. We'll let them splutter along with half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Complete recipe details will be in the description, guys. I'm adding 2 bay leaves here. Do subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes. Alright, so we've got cumin, ginger, onions, bay leaves, mustard seeds and garlic. So these 5 ingredients are thoroughly getting mixed with oil and butter. So onions, ginger and garlic are the base of our gravy, along with bay leaf. That's going to give it a nice flavor. Bay leaf is something you'll take out before serving. Next, in order to keep it digestion friendly, we are going to add some asafoetida or hing. This helps in digestion. So while onions are cooking, you will get some yogurt, 4 or 5 tablespoons, and you will season it with some salt, chili powder, turmeric. If you've got some garam masala on hand, you can add that in. Don't have garam masala, just use curry powder and some coriander powder. We are mixing all these ingredients together so that our dish gets a nice flavor. You can also add other spices of your choice like mango powder or pomegranate powder. Set this aside, that will be in our gravy. So now onions are looking really good. I'm adding a cup of diced tomatoes. You can use tomato puree here, and we'll add in some water so that tomatoes and onions can blend together so that all these amazing flavors come together beautifully. This is the base, this is the gravy, and we're just going to add layer of flavor over layer. Alright, let it cook for a few minutes so that all these flavors get mixed well. Then add in some salt. So if you recall, there is already salt on eggs, salt is in yogurt, so season a little conservatively. Chili powder, turmeric in this onion and tomato base. They've been cooking for a few minutes. Now after about 5ish minutes, I'm adding in yogurt. Make sure you're turning the heat on low. So on low heat, you will mix in the yogurt base. Add in some water. Too high of a heat and yogurt will start splitting. So on a low heat, we've added it in. We've added some water and we'll bring it to simmer. We'll allow all the ingredients to sizzle together. Everything will become so flavorful. Look at this beautiful golden color. Alright, in this we are going to add the eggs, and we'll let the eggs simmer so that they can soak in some of the flavor so that they can be part of this gravy. And you can take the bay leaf out at this point if you'd like. Alright, adding in the eggs that were already cooked and seasoned. So when you eat this egg gravy with a parantha or with say roti or even with rice, you will get that amazing creamy flavor from eggs. Alright, let's finish it off now with some cilantro leaves as a garnish, and our dish is ready. So give this video a big thumbs up, guys, and share it with friends and family. I hope to see you again with another exciting recipe. So please do keep watching Eat East Indian channel and have a fantastic rest of your weekend.